Today we're showing you a 2011 John Deere 4105 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300CX quick attach front end loader. The loader is quick attach, the bucket is also quick attach. Tractor has 41 horsepower, has 440 hours on it. Very, very clean tractor. Tractor is in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. The engine is prior to the Tier 4 emission, so it has none of the Tier 4 emission regulations on it. None of the DPF filters, no DEF, none of the Tier 4 emissions whatsoever. Paint's in great shape on the tractor. You have a little scuff up here in the front of the hood, but very minor. Does have a front grill guard. Bucket's in nice shape, and again, the bucket is quick attach. It has the John Deere style hookup for your bucket connection, and then the loader itself is quick attach as well. Has a canopy top on it, has a toolbox here on the side. R4 tires are in great shape. Has a hydrostat transmission. You have two pedals, one for forward, one for reverse, and then a high-low range lever located there to the left of the seat. Top link is here, has a 540 PTO, drawbar, 3-point arms, stabilizer bars, everything is here. These 4105 tractors are kind of hard to find, especially with such low hours on it. And again, engine is prior to the Tier 4 emissions. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.